Hello guys, today in this video we are going to learn some abbreviations. Those are frequently used in email, letter or textbooks. If we don't know the meaning of those words, we cannot understand the proper meaning of the sentences. So guys, let's get started learning some abbreviations. And the first one is ASAP, means as soon as possible. And DIY means do it yourself. AKA means also known as. FYI means for information. LMK means let me know. And LOL means laughing out loud. LMAO means laughing my ass off. And JK for the space is just kidding. And these are not last, we have some available. And IDK means I don't know. And BTW means by the way. And BRB means be right back. And FAQ means frequently asked questions, and this is mostly used in textbooks. And SMH means shaking my head. And last but not least is TBH, means to be honest. So guys, thanks a lot for watching the video.